Have you ever had the problem where the ball goes over the fence when you're playing in the backyard and there's no gate on the other side and you have to go all the way around? We have a solution to that problem. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a trap door right in your existing fence. We're starting from a regular cedar fence with slats screwed to a 2x4. We're going to make a hinge so that 3 of these slats hinge to make a little trap door. To do that, we're going to start with a 2x4 that's the same as the one below it, preferably pressure treated. You can cut it exactly to the width of the 3 slats, or you can just leave it long. I think we're going to cut ours. So we'll mark it right here, cut it there. Now that we've made our cut, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to rip this 2x4 in half so that it's not a whole separate 2x4 on top here. It looks a little sleeker. But if you don't want to do that, you can leave the whole 2x4. Okay, now that we've ripped our 2x4s, we'll use one on the top and one on the bottom. That's a handy part about ripping them. You have 2 pieces that you need. If you don't rip them, you'll just need 2 2x4s the same section, same length. Take the slat and we're going to screw it to this little section of 2x4. We're going to do that with each slat of the 3. We did the same thing with the lower crossbar. Put screws through the slats into the crossbar and now remove them from the original 2x4. So now the slats at the bottom are only attached to the crossbar. At the top they're still attached to both until we put our hinge on. This should be the only store-bought piece you really need. It's a 4-inch hinge from Home Depot. Should be less than $10. You want to put the hinge part right at the interface between the crossbar you just added to the top and the top fence crossbar. Now that we have the hinge on and the slats are screwed to the new crossbar, we can take the screws out of where the slats went to the original 2x4. Now it will hinge. Last thing we're going to do, we're on the bottom now. This is our hinging piece. We're going to take a little piece of scrap wood with a screw in it, and we're going to make a little latch. So now you can open it, and when you close it, you can rotate it down, and the dog or whatever can't open it from this side or the other side. Now when a ball goes over the fence, you can use the trap door to go get it, not have to walk all the way around.